Hi, I'm Alex Daly for Daily Driver TV. In this video, we're going to do some front sway bar stuff on this 98 Jeep Cherokee Sport. So I got some highway vibrations at like 60. I just put a new drive shaft in. I checked all the steering stuff and that's good. So when I got this front skid plate off and checked the sway bar, no good, lots of looseness. I'll do the body bushings, and then I have a video on these, just like I have a video on the front skid plate. These JKS quicker disconnect 0 to 4 inch sway bar links. So sway bars are pretty simple. You got just 2 body bushings right here, and then these links to the axle or control arm or whatever. Nothing better than a service pack for an aftermarket part though. So I got a rebuild kit from JKS for these links. That's not good. So for body bushings, I had this Dorman kit on from like 10 years ago from when I worked there. It came with the bracket and this weird underplate, and now I realize why. Because I got these Moog bushings, body bushings, and they must be OE style, because they don't work with the Dorman bracket. So it's always good to have a local dealership you can order parts from. They have a robust supply chain. I got these factory style brackets which still fit like a million cars, like modern Rams. Factory brackets go with the Moog factory design bushings. We should be back on the road. I cleaned up where the sway bar bushings and bracket mount to the body under the car too, with a little wire wheel, a little duplicolor. Time for assembly. It did come with the bushings that sit on the pin in between the pin and the link too. This is a 26 millimeter sway bar, although the bushings say 25.5, whatever. These beautiful rebuilt link babies slide right on. Then we'll add this keeper thing. It's getting dark, too dark to see, but I'm all done this sway bar project.
Feels a lot more solid. Should be a lot smoother on the highway. Thanks for watching. This is Alex Daly for Daily Driver TV.